Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Taste of Teranga. So today I'm making one of my favorite Senegalese dishes, Yassa Guinar. It's flavorful, tangy, and full of love. Here are the ingredients that you will need: chicken, mustard, onion for the onion sauce, white rice, bay leaves, mix it of spices, lemon, green pepper, red pepper, jalapeno, onion, basil, cilantro, habanero pepper, ginger, green onion, cloves, garlic. I will mix all of these in that mixer to marinate my chicken and leave it for 1 hour. Now that our chicken has been marinated for about an hour, it's time to fry it until golden brown. Make sure to brown each piece on both sides. This will give the yassa its rich, smoky flavor. Once the chicken is ready, remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same oil, we're going to make our delicious onion sauce. Add all onions and the rest of the marinade into the pan. Let it cook slowly until the onions become soft and caramelized. The habanero pepper is optional. Now add the fried chicken back into the onion sauce. Pour in a little water. Let everything simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to serve our Yassa Guinar. The chicken is perfectly tender and the onions are soft and golden. And that onion sauce smells amazing. Look at that! My Yassa Guinar is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.